At Troy, Michigan Garage Door Service, we specialize in the 6 most common garage door repairs homeowners face every day, delivering fast, honest, and professional service when you need it most. Broken garage door springs are one of the most common issues we repair. When a spring snaps, your door becomes heavy, unsafe, and often impossible to lift. Our technicians replace worn springs with high cycle systems built for long-lasting performance. Garage door opener repair is another service we handle daily. Whether your opener stopped responding, makes unusual noises, or struggles to operate smoothly, we diagnose the issue quickly and restore reliable function. Broken or frayed cables can put your entire door system at risk. If your cables have snapped, loosened, or begun unraveling, we provide safe, precise replacement to restore balance in operation. Off-track garage doors require immediate attention. A door that has shifted off its tracks can become dangerous to operate. Our team carefully realigns and stabilizes the system while correcting the underlying cause. Worn or damaged rollers can cause loud operation, vibration, and unnecessary strain on your opener. We upgrade old rollers to smoother, quieter, more efficient systems. And when safety sensors fail or become misaligned, your garage door may refuse to close properly. We inspect, align, repair, or replace faulty sensors to restore full safety and function. For fast response, expert workmanship, and garage door repairs done right the first time, trust Troy, Michigan Garage Door Service, keeping Troy homeowners safe, secure, and moving every single day. Call today and let our experience work for you.